So now we are doing exercise 10.4, question number 9. Question number 9, let me write down the question. Question number 9. Question is, so here is our question. Question says a pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree, and angle of depression of point A, okay, from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. So question is saying something like this. So a pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. So there is a tower, this is a tower, okay, and there is a pole. Let me change the color of the pole, and the pole is fixed at, this is the pole. Okay, now a pole of 5 meter high, what is the height of this pole? It is 5 meter from here to here. Okay, top of the pole, the angle of okay, a pole 5 meter high is placed on the top of the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of a pole, okay, of the top of a pole observed from point A on the ground. So there is point A on the ground. Okay, so let's say this is point A, and the angle of elevation, so of the top, this is, let me join the points, and okay, just a little bit not right. Okay, so let's say this is the point. Fine. Now the angle of elevation of the top of the pole, it's 60 degree, right? Only this much. And what is my eraser? This is 60 degree. Now what else? The angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower, okay, from the top of the tower is 45 degree. So what I need to draw is some dotted lines from here. Okay, this is the top of the tower, okay, and the angle of depression of the same point, the angle of depression of the same point, it comes out to be, what is the angle of depression of the same point? This angle is 45 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, then we can say, by changing the color, that this angle is also 45 degree, right? And now let me name A, B, C, and D. Let us change the color of our pen and let's start. I hope you understood this much. Now let B be the ground point of the tower, or button point of the tower. I don't know how to write. Fine, I hope you understood this much. And BC be the height of the tower, height of the tower, and CD be the height of the pole. Okay, now the pole is 5 meter high. We know this is 5. Now let us find out therefore tan of 45 is equal to tan of 45, it is BC by AB. Okay, so tan 45, it is 1, so AB is equal to BC. Equation number 1. Okay, and also tan of 60, if you take tan 60, tan of 60, it will be whole DB by AB. So DB by AB. Okay, so what is tan of 60? Tan of 60, it is root 3 is equal to DB by AB. So now what else? So the angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from the ground is 60 and the angle of deviation point A from the top of the tower is 45. So find the height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower? We need to find out CB. CB is the height of the tower. So we need to find out DB first. So AB, so DAB is equal to DB divided by root 3. dB divided by root 3. So let me down on dB divided by root 3. Now equation number 1, AB is equal to BC, and equation number 2, it is AB is equal to dB by root 3. So what I can do is equating equation number 1 and 2, equating equation number 1 and 2. So in equation number 1, if you look carefully, you can see that AB is equal to BC. So take only BC here, right side, right? And this equation also take right side, because AB and AB are same, right? So this side, right side, it is, what is that, BC? Yeah, BC is equal to, rather only right side one, that is BC is equal to dB by root 3. dB by root 3. So BC is equal to, what is dB? If you look in the question, like in the graph, dB, hold this one, right? From here dB, hold this is equal to CB, this one, plus DC, right? CB plus DC. So you can write down dB as CB plus DC. So dB is equal to CB plus DC divided by root 3. CB you write down BC. Okay, same thing. CB and BC will be same. My eraser is too big. So this is root 3. So BC plus DC. Now root 3 transfer this side, so it will become root 3 BC, which will be equal to BC plus DC. BC transfer this side, it will be root 3 BC minus BC, which will be equal to DC. Root 3 BC minus BC is equal to DC. Now wait, so we know something, DC is 5, right? DC is 5. Here you can see DC is equal to 5. So instead of DC here, you can write down, wait, let me make it smaller. So instead of DC here, right, you can write down BC plus 5, and this also 5, and even this one also 5. Okay, this much. Root 3 BC minus BC, take BC common, so you can write down root 3 minus 1 is equal to 5, and BC is equal to 5 divided by root 3 minus 1, right? Now, and if you happen to multiply or divide, so it will be 5 multiplied by root 3 plus 1. If you multiply downside also root 3 plus 1, so what am I doing here? Let me write down properly here. So take the eraser. Wait, let me do properly. Let me write down properly. So here, numerator root 3 minus 1 and denominator root 3 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, you are multiplying by root 3 plus 1. So here BC will be equal to, numerator it is 5 into root 3 plus 1 divided by denominator it is root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1, it will be root 3 square minus 1 square. 5 root 3 minus 5 plus 5 divided by root 3 square, that is square, and root 3 minus 1, it is 2, right? So 5, and if you take root 3, I think we can write the answer like this as well also, but I think question is giving us differently. So root 3 you can write down as, okay, root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So this one 5 into root 3 is 1.732 plus 1 divided by 2, and 1 plus 1 it is 2.732 divided by 2. So if you divide by 2, it will be 2 under 2, 0.23 is 6, and 2 6 are 12 and 2 6 are 12, so 1.366. So 5 into 1.366 into 5, 6 5 are 30, 6 5 are 33, 3 in hand, 5 3 are 15, 16 17 18, 1 in hand, 5 1 5, 6, so 6.83. so you can write down here 6.83. after you multiply, you are going to get 6.83 meter. Okay, so I hope the answer is correct. I hope you understood this much. Okay, if you have any difficulty, if you have any confusion, please do write in the comment below. That's all. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.